We are concerned with which district?
West Champaran.
Where is the notification identifying Panchayat Sevaks for the 10 or 20? Where is that notification? Who is the officer who has come here?
District Magistrate, West Champaran and Deputy Secretary.
How we will, where is the Deputy Secretary? You are the Deputy Secretary. Where is the notification allotting these many vacancies to each of the districts?
There was no vacancy, Your Lordship.
All right, sir. Initially, where is the notification? Assuming that 20 vacancy, 20 posts are earmarked for this district. Yes, Deputy Secretary. The post is created under Article 309 or 166 of the Constitution.
163.
Where is that? 531 vacancies were newly created.
My lord, 531 posts were kept. My lord, my humble submission, my lord, one line.
Your Lordship, the officers are here, Your Lordship. I'm filing supplementary counter affidavit. Record the
Keep on filing supplementary after supplementary.
Sir, it is with respect to the queries made by this court, Honorable Court, Your Lordship, on the last occasion, that whether the cadre of Dalpati is district cadre or state cadre, that has been brought on record, Your Lordship. We have annexed the relevant documents.
Where is the combined seniority list prepared?
No, Your Lordship, since it was a district cadre, so district-wise cadre has been, district-wise seniority list has been prepared.
Then if that is the case, why you have not distributed equally 531 vacancies?
Your Lordship, at the relevant time, Your Lordship, there were several panchayats where the panchayat sevaks were working. So, on the vacant post only, we had appointed. We were directed to be appointed. We have
not appointed, sir. Newly created 531 vacancy.
Your Lordship, on that they were absorbed, Your Lordships. I'm sorry, Your Lordship, that they were absorbed. There were 843 posts in undivided state of Bihar after bifurcation, Your Lordship.
Why in this district was not given
Your Lordship, already there was surplus.
No, similarly it was in the case of Patna.
No, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Your Lordship, I'll show you, Your Lordship.
Who is appearing for petitioner?
Your Lordship, we have informed Mr. Arun.
Appellant, LPA, appellant.
Mr. Arun Kumar is appearing, Your Lordship. He has recently filed wakalatnama in this case. The earlier advocate is no more, Your Lordship.
Other counsel must be there, no? First thing we have asked him.
And the case on which they are relying, that pertains to Amol Kumar Singh case, Your Lordship, that pertains to the district of Gopalganj. And in our case, Your Lordship, the district is West Champaran. There was no vacancy so that these persons could have been absorbed, Your Lordship. That is why they were not absorbed.
Who is the officer who has come here?
District Magistrate, West Champaran and Deputy Secretary.
How we will, where is the Deputy Secretary? You are the Deputy Secretary. Where is the material to show that it is a district cadre?
The latest affidavit filed today, Your Lordship, Annexure A, page.
ये हम लोगों का सेवा शर्त नियमावली 1989 है सर, और इसमें तो ये कंडिका 3 में सर संवर्ग का गठन है.
We have brought up, Your Lordship, why this supplementary affidavit, Your Lordship. It has already been served to the appellant, Your Lordship.
If you are giving now?
Your Lordship.
Yesterday evening he has given me a copy.
Huh?
Yesterday evening, my lords, he had given me a copy of supplementary counter affidavit, my lords. Although, my lords, the he has enclosed two rules, but whatever my lords had sought for in the last occasion, my lords, that has not been properly replied.
That has not been produced.
Not properly replied, my lords, I am saying. Because my lords,
One timer you want to address.
because my lords, he has given just evening, my lords, so some time may be granted so that I may go through and. नहीं कल दिए हैं सामने थे भी नहीं
पंचायत सेवा
district order. Now we so far as the list and where is the notification identifying these many vacancies. For example, 10 vacancies, 20 vacancies, like that. So far as the list temporary.
Lords,
We are concerned with which district?
West Champaran.
Where is the notification identifying Panchayat Sevaks for the 10 or 20? Where is that notification?
There is no notification, Your Lordship, but there was a detailed chart which we have annexed to Your Lordship where there.
No, why there is no notification? Chart is for your office purpose. Where is the notification allotting these many vacancies to each of the district?
Since there was no vacancy, Your Lordship,
All right, sir. Initially, where is the notification? Assuming that 20 vacancy, 20 posts are earmarked for this district.
Your Lordship.
There are some to issue. For example, Patna, the vacancy. 531 is subject. First, initially, what was the? According to them, there were no vacancies. 31, among the 531, few or something.
In the last affidavit,
The vacancies are district wide.
Your Lordship,
Prepared only chart. Where is the notification?
Your Lordship, I'll just show you, Lordship. I'll just show. It is on record. Kindly have annexure D series, Your Lordship. In the last affidavit, Your Lordship, not this, but the last affidavit, D series 1. This affidavit has been filed on,
When you identified the vacancies, you issued any notification?
Your Lordship, it was communicated to every district magistrate, Your Lordship. It was communicated, Your Lordship.
Sir, cadre notification is not required to be passed under Article 309 or 162. The Panchayat Sevak post is created under 162 or 309 of the Constitution.
160.
Huh? Yes, Deputy Secretary. The post is created under Article 309 or 162, 166 of the Constitution.
163.
Where is that?
This is the notification.
This is executive order. Correct. Yeah, allocation of
Allocation was done by this.
this is
Same secretary. Additional Secretary agreement
Under 166 of the Constitution? No, any rules?
Panchayat Raj Act. That
At serial number 19,
98. What is the cadastre number of posts allotted to this?
at serial number 19 is the district West Champaran, Your Lordship.
additional. Prior to that, the restructuring of panchayats, number of panchayats, number of working panchayats after creation of post, which were to be filled up, additional posts.
Now, it has been identified and vacancies have been notified.
Yes.
Now, 531 vacancies are in addition to these vacancies. They have to distribute 531 vacancies among the districts. Why they have chosen other than this 19 district? Ask me.
You have submitted this letter about creation of certain posts. 531 vacancies were in addition to these posts.
No, Your Lordship.
My lord, this is the position. This is the position, my lords. My learned friend is confusing the entire matter. My lords, may kindly have a look to one of the letter issued by the Principal Secretary to the Accountant General, that is at page 24.
531 vacancies were newly created.
My lord, 531 posts were kept, my lords. My humble submission, my lords, one line.
Your State Council, why these vacancies were not distributed? The 531 vacancies were not distributed to each of the districts.
Your Lordship, at that relevant time, there were in every panchayat, there was a provision for a panchayat secretary, Your Lordship. What happened that in some of the districts, there were more than the required number of panchayats. In some of the districts, there were less than the required number of panchayats. So they were distributed as per the requirement where there were less number of panchayat secretaries, Your Lordship.
Illegalities have been.
In the district of West Champaran, there was surplus already. In the list, Your Lordship,
How many were surplus? What was the surplus number?
Your Lordship, it was around eight surplus, Your Lordship.
In that notification, is there any?
In the last column,
Where is that notification of 531 vacancies?
531 vacancy notification.
सर यूनाइटेड बिहार में हम लोग मैंने किए थे। हाँ, यूनाइटेड बिहार के बाद ये हम देख लेते हैं, ये हुआ है 2008 में।
In 2008, that was
Where is that notification? Newly creation of 531 vacancies.
Prior to this.
हाँ, ये दे दिया गया।
After legal case. You can exclude such of those districts who do not fall under Bihar. Is in the year 298. They are talking of 11/2008, 43 vacancies.
White notification number 2815 dated 11/6/2008. All these 531 posts were newly created posts were.
They are keep on arguing the newly created. By virtue of judicial pronouncement, has a different decision to create 531 vacancies. This is further allocation to verify.
Further investigation. Command is to be written on 531 posts remain for the hash.
He created.
It was newly created at the time. Probably it was not from 98.
You mean to say this 531 vacancies? But then why